Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these different type of beanie, hoodie, hat, which you want to name it. I like it very much. It's so simple. Actually, we made it this technique on our beanies. I shared with you with nearly 4 or 5 beanie. You know this technique. I want to show you. This is and this and this and this. They are the same technique, and you can find its their link from here. Please look at them. I love it. This technique is same, but we will different finish with this pattern. This is like a hoodie actually. You can make it easily and so fast crocheting. I like it very much. You can see photos on me, but children may love it very much. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. If my video comes so speedy, please, on the right of the screen, 3 dots, click on them and slow me down. And for subtitles, you can open them, and I checked it. It's automatically in English, will be right on your screen. I think on my computer it's like that. I hope on your phones or computers like that, automatically in English. Okay, thanks a lot. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple hoodie. Let's start to crochet. I use on my hoodie worsted weight yarn, and this is size 3. I used 5mm hook with this yarn, and I will show you same category yarn with different color. For that, I made here. First of all, we will start with slip knot. I want to show you, you can understand it more easily. From the top to end, you can see here 25, 24, 25. For an adult is enough. For child, 20 centimeter, it's okay. Okay. Then I will make my chains. You can use every type of yarn, but you need to careful about that. For example, my 24 chains is equal to, my 40 chains is equal to 24 centimeter. But you can choose yarn category 4, more thicker yarn. You will make 25 chains is equal to 40. Okay, it will be different, but you need to make 24 centimeter chains. It's equal with my yarn 40 chains. 1, not make them so tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made here 40 chains. Add one more for turning easily. Then skip this very first, start from the second one, insert here, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through, make a single crochet. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, next one, 4, next one, 5, next one, 6 and 7 single crochet. Yarn over, skip one, insert into the second one, grab your yarn and lose it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Add one more chain, yarn over, insert into the same space and make one more puff. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Then yarn over, skip 1 stitch here. Start from the second one. Grab your yarn. You have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Make half double crochet. I give my Beanie's brim part 7, 3 stitch for my puff. Here 10. Left here 30. I will give 6 stitch top of my hoodie, 24 for the main part. So I will make here 24 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now I have 24 half double crochet. Left here 6 stitches. Here I made single crochet, but at the end of when we shrink it, we have a little hole here. If you don't want to make here a hole, you can make here slip stitch. Okay. Insert, grab your yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the top of your hoodie. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count, start from the very first here, only using back loop, 1, 2, back loop, 3, 4, 5 and 6 slip stitches I made for my top of hoodie. Now we come 24 half double. Again we will make half double but using back loop. That's the point. Yarn over, using back loop, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23 and the last one 24. We use back loop. Okay, make half double. Now we are on the puff. Not make puff on the second row. We will make slip stitch on these 3 stitch. Here 1 slip stitch using back loop again. This is 2. Skip this chain 1, insert that stitch here, 3. Now I have here 2, 4, 6, 7 for brim part. We will make single crochet but using back loop, 2, 4, 6, 7. Look at that. Not confuse that. Skip this. Okay. Not insert here. I insert from here. Skip this. This is not a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the last one, 7. Insert here. Grab my yarn. Make single. 1. Insert back loop. Grab my yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you come to the last one, you will take both loops because we want to starting point is so clear. Grab my yarn, make usual single crochet, chain 1 and turn my work. Again, first stitch, make usual single crochet, 1, insert the back loop again, 2, insert the third, 3, insert the fourth, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When you come here, yarn over and here insert this chain 1 space, this time here, one before of previous rows, we use this chain 1 space and make again puff, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through all together, chain 1. One more time, chain 1. This is chain 1 space, we will use 1 after of next row, yarn over and make one more puff in the same chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3 and 4, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. We skip here, we skip these lock chains, okay, not confused about that. You can put a marker from here, so it's not so confusing. 2, 4 and 6, this is my starting point, and here we will count that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. This is my half double crochet starting. You can divide it like that. These are the lock stitch, not use them. Yarn over using back loop only and start to make your half double. 1 and 2, 3. You will always use back loop. Come here, make here 6 slip stitch using back loop, chain 1 and turn and make your again slip stitches with back loop, make your half doubles, back loop. When you come on the puff, you will use 3, you will make 3 slip stitch, skip the lock stitches, okay, don't forget, and make here 7 or how many stitch you divide for that, separate for that. Make your brim part with single crochet using back loop. You will crochet it like that minimum 52 to 60. Okay, it's about your which you want, which size you want. I complete mine after turn to you. How you can join to the back side, I will tell you. I complete and turn to you. I finished my hoodie. You can see that we will measure from that puff stitches nearly 60 centimeter. Okay, now we will shrink this top. I will use for that my hook. I will insert my yarn every row like that. You can use a needle for making this. Okay, I will insert my yarn every row like that. I insert every row, then I start to shrink my Beanie's top like that. Now take the first side here. I insert my hook. Here I will insert again and lock the back of actually our Beanie. Here. One more time I locked it. Here. It's not important looking like that because this is the back of our head and this model like that, this pattern. So one more time we will lock it and hide our yarn and cut it. Yes. Take the back side it. Now I will cut and hide this tail. Now I will show you this. I'll take it to back side, joining part. Yes, I want to give it again measurement one side here nearly 30. You can see that I made for these two corner, two side, make tassels. Insert from here and tie them. Making tassels are so simple. You can find on my channel and everywhere you can find. Here, take them to the inside. Yes, this is first one and this is the second one. I will insert this tail and tie them again. 1, 2 and 3 times. Yes. I will take two inside again. Of course you can cut them. That's it. We finish our pattern. So simple and different. You can make it for your child or for yourself. It's so simple. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.